Let me show you how to remove the default clothes in your Roblox avatar.
There's no way to completely remove it, but I'll show you a trick to be able to hide it so no one can see it.
Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. And first we need to remove all of the default clothing that is on there. So you can see I'm in the marketplace and usually it switches to all, but let's go over to clothing here. And in this case, let's go to t-shirts. And you can see a bunch of different t-shirts and clothings. You can see if any of these are bought and selected, you want to remove them. Now, after we've done that, we need to get into the clothing and see if there's any clothes in here as well. In this case, I have the classic t-shirt turned on. So you can see I can remove all of these. You can see if I scroll over, there might be classic pants. Make sure if any of these are selected, just unselect them. After you've done all that, we're going to switch over to the head and body specifically, and then go to the skin color. Now I can change the skin color, and if I do so and I change it for everything, you can see the clothing still has the normal clothing. However, if I go over to the torso option and I switch this to a different color, let's say something like green or blue, then it does remove that default clothing. And then of course I can also just change the color of the skin as well.